Hi everyone, welcome back to another new video. Thank you very much for all the comments and support shown through the previous videos. It means a lot for us. Today our recipe is a special one because it's made with leftover rice. 1/3 of the food produced in the world get wasted while 1 in 9 people don't have enough to eat. So this is a timely topic to make actions to minimize the waste of foods. Today I am going to share how to prepare a complete breakfast with leftover rice. Please do watch the video until the end. One cup leftover rice, 1 cup water, grind it into small pieces. And here I am using 2 cup rice flour, 1 cup coconut, leftover rice, and mix it well with hand. And then here goes salt per taste. Once the mixing is done, we have to steam the mixture. When air is releasing from the pot, you have to take it off. I am going to make a Maldives fish gravy for this. For that I am using 1 cup coconut milk, second time coconut milk, with that half onion, 1 green chili, half tomato, here goes salt. Then red chili flakes, Maldives fish, finally turmeric powder. Now keep in the cooker and let it boil. Once it's done, we have to add first milk into the gravy. Now gravy is ready. breakfast is ready. We are planning to bring more leftover food recipes in future. Stay tuned. Until the next video, have a safe time. Bye bye.